Dr. James Corasanti is in the middle of a civil trial accused of killing Alix Rice when he hit her with his car in Amherst. Alix's family is suing the doctor, and today his wife took the stand in his defense. News 4's Emily Guggenmuss has been in the courtroom for us. Emily, what did Corasanti's wife say today when she gave her testimony?
Well, she said a lot, sort of. I'm very nervous throughout the whole thing and had a hard time answering questions. Her name is Lorene, and she's currently on the stand. Prosecution is still asking her questions at this point. Right now, she's recalling what happened after the accident. She said that her husband came home and said that there was damage to his car, but he didn't explain the damage. There was no discussion, she says, about hitting a person. She said they went out and examined the car. She says he picked up a piece of flesh from the car, dropped it by her leg, but at the time they didn't know that that's what it was. She said that they wanted to figure out what happened, so she left the house and followed the route back home. She came upon Heim, and that's when she saw an ambulance and police, and she said probably at that point she knew that a person had been hit. She turned around and called her attorney. She did not tell police there on scene what had happened. She went home and she said that her attorney was sending someone over so that Corasanti could turn himself in. At that point, Corasanti left the house. That's the last time she saw him that evening. She said police showed up to the home and she handed them her cell phone with her attorney on it. That's the point when I had to leave the courtroom. But as I mentioned, she seemed very nervous throughout the whole court proceedings today. She even said that I'm very nervous, having a very difficult time answering some questions for the prosecution. Of course, make ssure to stay with News 4 for any updates on this case. Reporting live, Emily Guggenmuss, News 4 at noon.